In July this year, the Constitutional Court nullified the Computer Misuse Amendment Act, a decision that was widely welcomed by advocates of freedom of expression. However, the ruling did not mean that people are now free to say or do anything they want online or misuse computers and other digital devices without consequences. Other laws still apply to offences committed in the digital space. This could be the reason why the Uganda Communications Commission, UCC, is engaging judges on how to handle cases involving the misuse of digital platforms, as well as how to assess and authenticate digital evidence presented before court.
We addressed ourselves, of course, to the fact that in today's world, ICTs permeate every aspect of life. And because of that, you find that ICTs are therefore also used as enablers for crime and also used to commit crimes.
UCC Head of Legal Affairs Abdul Salam Waiswa says although the Computer Misuse Amendment Act was nullified by court, other laws can still be used to provide courts with sufficient evidence in cases involving misuse of digital platforms. Lawyer Michael Aboneka says training judges on cyber-related offences is long overdue given the growing cases of fraud, forgery, and other forms of criminal activity online, yet many judicial officers have not received adequate training in handling such cases.
Africa has been playing catch-up in terms of catching up with digital transformation and the like. So it is important for the judges to understand that technology evolves, crimes also evolve. There are some crimes for which offenses we don't have yet. So we have to pay particular attention to the cause of the crime. So people are now using technology to commit the offenses. People are using technology to commit murder. People are using technology to defraud others. So the judges need to understand that it's evolving, and that's why it is important for them to have these trainings.
Principal Judge Jane Francis Abodo asked judicial officers not to allow the rapid advancement of technology to undermine the justice system. She says that although technology continues to evolve rapidly, this should not compromise the court's ability to administer justice fairly and effectively.
Technology may actually change the form in which evidence reaches us, but does not change the standards by which justice must be administered. We must continue to insist upon fairness, legality, authenticity, reliability, due process, and of course, protection of fundamental rights.
The engagement is intended to strengthen the judiciary's understanding of emerging digital crimes and improve the handling and assessment of electronic evidence in court.